Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so that you can get the latest notification about my new tutorials. Today we are going to look at how can we install Active Directory, how can we create domain on 2012 R2 server. So in order to do it, we need to install Active Directory role, but before that you need to understand something. If you are installing Active Directory on any of the machines, you need to make sure that you configure the network interface with static IP. And there is one more thing which you need to understand is the IP address of the server should be in the primary DNS. That's what should be preferred, and then you should give any other DNS. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a role for Active Directory on the server. Okay, and then we'll just click next, 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 and then we'll install it. And then definitely we need to wait for this to be finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video over here, and then we'll continue once it is about to complete or it's already completed. So my role installation is already done, and if I click on this one, it says promote this server to domain controller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, and then I'll select the options from here. So add a domain controller to an existing domain, but we don't have any domain. So add a new domain to an existing forest. We don't have that also. So I'm going to create a new forest, and I'm going to name it as ABC. So DNS name propose actually just show more. Let's see what it is asking for. Okay, so we should name it as abc.local, for example. All right, so that's what it has accepted our domain name, and I need to give the credentials. And forest function level and domain function level, I'll keep it on default. It's a complete different topic that you need to discuss in order to explain these things, but we are not going to look into those for now. We'll click on next. A delegation for this DNS server cannot be created because the authoritative parent zone cannot be found. So we can click on show more and it will give us the information, but let's ignore this and say next. So we just need to wait. So the NetBIOS name for this domain is ABC, and now we are going to click on next. These are the default folder locations for database log files and sysvol files. So we are not going to change anything. We are going to click on next, and we'll click on next on the review your selections page also. Now this is verifying prerequisites for domain controller operations, and then once this is done, we will click on install. And as it says, all prerequisite checks passed successfully, click install to begin installation. One more thing, that if you click install, the server automatically reboots at the end of the promotion operation. So we'll click install now. Now we'll wait for this process to end and reboot of the server. So I'm just going to pause this video over here and we'll wait for this to complete. So my installation is finished and you are about to be signed out because we have to restart this server. So if you look over here, our domain is installed, and then now we can log into it. And let's verify over here also. see the domain is abc.local. Thank you so much for watching for our next walkthrough videos. Please comment, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you need to know more about any of the products I'm talking about.